Welcome back to Technify. Today's episode dives into one of the most exciting face-offs in the camera world. DJI's first ever mirrorless camera versus Sony's upcoming A7V. The mirrorless market has been dominated by industry veterans like Sony, Canon, and Nikon for years. But now, DJI, best known for their drones and gimbal systems, is stepping into the ring with a camera that's already generating huge buzz. The question is, can DJI's first mirrorless really go head-to-head with Sony's next-generation powerhouse? We'll explore everything, from image quality and video performance to autofocus, stabilization, and lens ecosystems, to see which one truly deserves your investment. This battle is innovation versus experience, and it's shaping up to redefine what creators expect from hybrid cameras. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned till the end, because this one's going to be a game changer. When it comes to sensor and image performance, Sony's A7V is expected to continue its alpha legacy with a 44-megapixel full-frame stacked sensor. This setup should deliver exceptional detail, faster readout speeds, and impressive low-light performance. Early reports suggest Sony is improving rolling shutter control and pushing dynamic range beyond 15 stops, perfect for professionals who demand the highest image fidelity. On the other side, DJI's rumored full-frame mirrorless is said to feature a 45-megapixel sensor co-engineered with Hasselblad, a brand DJI owns a majority stake in. That connection could give DJI's camera superior color science and tonal accuracy, drawing from Hasselblad's renowned imaging expertise. While the details are still under wraps, this partnership positions DJI as a serious contender for both photographers and filmmakers. In autofocus and stabilization, Sony continues to lead the industry with its AI-driven real-time tracking system. The A7V is expected to improve upon the A7IV's already stellar autofocus, featuring enhanced subject recognition for humans, animals, and even vehicles. Low-light autofocus should also see significant advancements, making the A7V a top performer in unpredictable lighting environments. DJI, however, may redefine stabilization standards altogether. Leveraging their dominance in gimbal and drone stabilization technology, DJI's mirrorless camera is rumored to feature an advanced in-body stabilization system that could outperform current industry benchmarks. Combine that with AI-based autofocus powered by object recognition algorithms, and you have a camera built for movement, ideal for handheld creators, vloggers, and run-and-gun filmmakers. Video performance is where both brands are expected to shine. Sony's A7V will likely support 8K video at 30 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit internal recording. Enhanced codecs and a new heat dissipation system should allow extended shooting without overheating, making it a dependable hybrid camera for serious videographers. DJI's debut mirrorless, on the other hand, could rival that with 6K or even 8K capabilities, advanced 10-bit color depth, and possibly built-in ND filters, a rare inclusion in mirrorless cameras. DJI's long-standing experience with video workflows might also allow direct integration with their drones, gimbals, and mobile apps, appealing to content creators seeking a connected ecosystem. Lens options remain one of Sony's biggest strengths. The E-mount system offers an extensive selection of lenses from Sony's own lineup and third-party brands like Sigma, Tamron, and Zeiss. This gives users versatility and proven reliability across all focal lengths. DJI's lens ecosystem is still a mystery. Early leaks suggest either a new proprietary mount or adoption of the L-mount system. While this might initially limit lens options, it could open doors for partnerships and cross-brand compatibility over time. Ultimately, Sony's A7V represents a continuation of excellence. A refined, reliable hybrid camera designed for professionals who need performance they can count on. DJI's first mirrorless, meanwhile, symbolizes bold innovation, a daring first step that could reshape the future of creative imaging. For those chasing consistency, Sony remains the safer bet. But for creators who crave cutting-edge technology and fresh possibilities, DJI's debut might just be the start of a new era. And that wraps up our deep dive into DJI's first mirrorless camera versus Sony's A7V. It's clear that Sony is doubling down on refinement, reliability, and real-world performance, while DJI is pushing boundaries with bold design and innovative features. If the rumors prove true, DJI could emerge as one of the most disruptive forces in the mirrorless market. but Sony's years of experience and massive lens ecosystem still make it a powerhouse for professionals. Which one would you choose? The proven champion or the bold newcomer? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Technify, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating and stay tuned for more from the world of cutting-edge tech.